Hello friends, here we will discuss 14th of January 2022 current affairs, and along with current affairs we will follow some static fact based on the questions we will discuss here. So moving to the question number 1 here on your screen. Recently, what amount invested by Reliance Industries Limited in green energy sector in Gujarat? And the answer is option A, 5.95 lakh crore. Reliance Industries has signed a preliminary agreement with Gujarat to invest 5.95 lakh crore mainly in green energy sector. That is what's been talking about. To make Gujarat net zero and carbon free, Reliance Industries proposes to invest 5 lakh crore in the state over the span of 10 to 15 years to set up 100 gigawatt renewable energy power plant and green hydrogen ecosystem development as mentioned by the company, that is Reliance Industries Limited. What is the expected GDP growth of German industry in 2022? And the answer is option C, 3.5%. The Federation of German Industry is cautiously optimistic about the economic recovery in the industry and expects country's gross domestic product grow 3.5% in 2022. And some static fact, that is Germany, Berlin is the capital, currency is euro, Angela Merkel is the Prime Minister and President Frank-Walter Steinmeier. Saroj Pattanayak has died recently. In which field he belongs to? And he is a music composer. Legendary music composer and lyricist Saroj Pattanayak passed away at the age of 81 on Thursday. And Pattanayak was born on 1940 in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. He was interested in music since childhood and later became an acclaimed lyricist and music director of Akashvani and Doordarshan. Pattanayak started his career as a music composer in 1977 in the Oriya superhit film named as Abhiman, before he was working as a renowned lyricist at Akashvani and Doordarshan. What amount of green energy renewable to supply wind turbines in Gujarat to Quantinum Energy? And the answer is option B, 99.9 megawatt. Renewable energy, that is green energy, on Thursday it has received an order from Quantinum Green Energy to supply 99.9 megawatt of the wind power turbines from the Rajkot wind farms in Gujarat. And to development follows Green Energy and Quantinum signing an agreement to supply the turbines to the 148.5 megawatt Morjar wind power farm in Gujarat in 2021. Quantinum is a majority owned by the Global Infrastructure Fund managed by the Morgan Stanley. And Gujarat, Gandhinagar is the capital, Vijay Rupani is the CM, and Governor Acharya Devbrat. So what's the static fact? That is Gandhinagar is the capital, Vijay Rupani is the CM, and Governor Acharya Devbrat. What amount of green energy buys by Vedant's aluminum waste in 2021? And that is 2000 million unit. Vedanta on Thursday said its aluminum business unit became the largest green power procurer in 2021, sourcing 2000 million units of renewable energy based electricity for its aluminum production facility at Jharsuguda in Odisha. And the power was bought through the country's two power exchange, that is Indian Energy Exchange and Power Exchange of India Limited. The company said that the renewable energy procurement reduced greenhouse gas emissions intensity at the smelter by more than 1540 kilotons of CO2 equivalent in that particular year. And Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar, Naveen Patnaik is the CM, Ganeshilal is the governor here. Right. According to Forbes highest earning athletes 2021, which female athlete tops the list with earning of $57.3 million? And the answer is Naomi Osaka. Naomi Osaka is the highest paid female athlete in the world according to a list published by Forbes Business Magazine, right? And the Japanese star is talking about Naomi Osaka, who has helped raise the awareness of mental health issues in sports and garnered $57.3 million in prize and grants over the past year. Japan, some static fact, Tokyo is the capital, currency is yen, Prime Minister Fumio Kishida, right? What is the jump of SAP reports in fourth quarter cloud computing revenue 2022? And that is 28%, right? German business software group SAP said fourth quarter revenue from its cloud computing business jumped 28% as more customers shift their IT operations to cloud business database. That is the reason here. Cloud revenue climbed to 2.61 billion euros, that is approximately $2.99 billion in the fourth quarter ended in December 31st. And SAP is targeting the cloud revenue growth of up to 26% in 2022, helping its overall cloud and software revenue rise by 4 to 6%. Galaxy Racer plans to invest what amount into Malaysian esports ecosystem? And that is option B, $10 million. Dubai-based esports gaming and lifestyle organization Galaxy Racer has announced a projected investment of around $10 million, that is 7.28 million pound, this is pound, into the Malaysian esports ecosystem. Galaxy Racer plans to invest in esports competitions and events in the region, as well as the new regional headquarters for the Asia Pacific region in Malaysia. And Galaxy Racer, that is established in 2019, headquarters is in Dubai, UAE, and CEO of Galaxy Racer, that is Paul Roy. That is Paul Roy. So Galaxy Racer 2019 is the establishment here, Dubai, UAE is the headquarters, and Paul Roy is the CEO. So that is all for now for today's current affairs. I hope you understood all the news bullets here, and good time.